3-foot-long epaulette shark, he rarely even strays far from his patch of reef. But on some special nights, a spring tide pulls billions of gallons of water off the reef, stranding creatures in a maze of tidal pools. Or worse, left high and dry, a fish out of water soon suffocates. Unless it's a superfish. And he's not just saving his skin, he's on the prowl, heading towards rich hunting pools full of prey trapped by the tide. Forcing a jet of water through his muscular gills, he hoovers up his cornered victims. Oxygen levels in the pool are falling fast. Pretty soon, he'll run out of energy. With an hour till the tide returns, he's close to death. Slowing his breathing, reducing his heart rate, even shutting down part of his brain, he enters a self-induced coma. One last breath, and he can survive for an hour. Finally, the tide turns, immersing him in oxygen-rich waters. A miraculous resurrection.